Hello and welcome to this video, part 3 in the series of Basil the cat. So, Basil is kata, dal Þrīe. Basil is a cat, part 3. Now, this video continues the story of Basil the cat using clear beginner level Old English. Scenes 21 to 30 gently introduce plurals, simple commands and basic questions while keeping the language calm, repetitive and easy to follow. The focus is on hearing and reading early West Saxon Old English with confidence, building understanding through familiar situations rather than complex grammar explanations. In other words, if you buy a book on Old English, you're going to be full of the grammar explanations, as it must be. But this series is something a little bit before that, something a bit simpler for all beginners of any age, a simpler introduction to the language. And then you can go look at all the grammar textbooks and all the rest of it as is necessary. All right, so let's make a start. This video is a remake. There was a version before this, but there's one correction I want to make, so I'm reproducing the video. All right. Okay, and perhaps I can hide that as well, so no distractions. All right. Basil loketh metas. Tha metas sind gode. Basil et metas. So concentrate on the pronunciation and look at the spelling of the words. Basil loketh at fishum. Tha fishes swimmeth. Basil sitter and loketh. We loketh at Basil. We mateth Basil. We sind belithe. Here sitteth on yerde. Here rasteth stille. Here sind belithe. Loka Basil. Basil loketh. Sitter Basil. Basil sitter on earthen. Is Basil belithe? Yea, Basil is belithe. Loketh Basil? Yea, Basil loketh. Runth Basil? Neze, Basil rast. We loketh at Basil. Basil loveth metas. Loka Basil. Basil loketh. Is Basil belithe? Yea, Basil is sawithe belithe. That ende for nu, the end for now. Thank they for thinere lokunge, and away meteth on thara next sida. Thanks for watching, and we'll meet next time. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and I shall see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please push the like button. Even if you didn't, please push the like button, and please subscribe to the channel. It will support the channel and help in making further videos. I'd greatly appreciate, in other words, if you would subscribe to the channel. It helps me a lot. Thank you very much. I'll see you all next time. So take care for now, and bye to you all.